Here's how I took my bathroom sink from this to this, and it may not seem like that big of a difference, but every time I open it, it is a lot more peaceful. And if I do want to update it again later, I can do that, but for now, it at least doesn't stress me out. Our bathroom sink had been really annoying me every time I open it to get something, because I had just shoved everything in there when we moved here and was focusing on like getting the kitchen set up and lots of other things. And so I finally was just like, okay, things are settled enough. I'm tired of looking at this and being stressed about it when it's something so simple. Here we are in my bathroom. I will do a full tour a different time, but today we are just going to pull everything out. And I don't think I'll have that much to declutter because I've been trying to kind of keep up with that. But I am planning to definitely organizing, but like I have a lot of boxes, so I'm thinking I can empty these and put them in better containers that look better. So I'm probably going to figure out more just by doing this what type of storage I want under here. More like vertical storage probably. So anyway, let's get started. Oh, that's easy. So I can definitely trash this. I thought this was contacts. I guess I was just in a rush that day. I don't know why I cut that. I brought some of these containers with me. This is one of my all-time favorite things from Dollar Tree, and so I need to put this clip in that video. So this is one I almost forgot, but I do love these. I just love the gray and white is really nice. And then these can be kind of like drawers because they go kind of far back. I put these in the pantry for snacks, but I'm also going to use one in here, I believe. We will see. A lot of this stuff, I might just get rid of this actually. I'm like, eventually I'll go through it, but I don't love it. I don't know. That's why I still have it, so we'll see. Don't think I'm going to keep this. It holds these, but I like just being able to pull these out. I use them for my hair to do like... Yeah. My friend taught me how to do this with a pencil and in college. And you can do it with just one, but since this has two chopsticks, I do both. Oh, you even see it? Anyway, so I do that sometimes if I can't find like my hair ties or just want to do something different. Here's another container. I don't even know what that's for. You know what? Maybe I am going to get rid of stuff because I'm like, I keep coming across these and not using them. I feel like I have other stuff I can use if I just want to clip my hair up really fast. This just came with something that I don't even have anymore. Okay. A lot of travel containers. I already don't like this. It's too much. They always give contact solution. At least I like this bottle a little better than this one. But actually, I may not need these anymore because I think I'm going to switch to daily contacts. I don't wear them that much. I usually wear my glasses, and I have a lot of glasses now. Okay. Oh, I forgot this in my Dollar Tree favorites too. I love this wooden toothbrush. It looks so cute. I don't know why they make ugly toothbrushes all the time. I just love seeing it when traveling. Just have it sitting out. I do use like a battery powered one when I'm at home. All this stuff I hardly ever use. And backups and stuff. And something I didn't even know I had. Oh my goodness. Okay. You can do this, Megan. It's okay. I thought this was going to be a lot easier. That's why I chose to do this. so I could get this video done sooner. Okay, whatever. It's fine. Deep breaths. I hope you're decluttering something, organizing something with me. That's way more fun. Productive. More than watching me struggle. I feel like other people's videos like this are way more interesting than mine. Get it together. You can do it. What is this? I don't know what any of these are. It's fine. Alright. Weird. But I don't like bags and paper in my organization. I think this is more like for traveling on an airplane and you need a quart bag, but that doesn't need to be in my stuff, but I will keep it for that. Don't these look so much better not in a little plastic bag? Alright, I'll try putting my travel stuff in here. Oh, that is kind of cute. Didn't realize you couldn't see that. This has not even been opened. They always want to give you a new, which is kind of nice at first, but when you've been wearing contacts for like 20 years. The problems you come across when decluttering. Okay, I feel like I'm making a little progress. Very little. But a little nonetheless. This can go in the travel. Maybe this. I'm hungry. I feel like I say that a lot. Just in general. Okay. Here's another little tray. I don't think I'm going to go through all of this completely, but I just wanted to get rid of some of the crazy looking stuff. Yep. Some of this I'll go through again eventually, but I wanted to get it better because this was just stressing me out so much. Okay, here's another container of random things. Fine, but let's group these two together. Putting these with my contacts. They're just kind of, oh my word, there's so many. They're everywhere. Just kind of grouping stuff together to organize better, I guess. Okay. Left and right. Where's the label on these? Unknown. Well, anyway. Maybe figure that out another time. Okay. I'm going to put these in this tray. And these in this one. It's fascinating. I think those will go more towards the back because I don't need them very frequently. Might as well put this in with it. Okay, what else? Those are nice. I can ever figure out the right. This can be recycled. So one more thing about this quickly. When I find myself coming across something that annoys me over and over, or like this, where I'm like, every time I see it, I'm like, oh, should I get rid of it? If I just get rid of it, then I don't have to ask myself that anymore. Or like, if there's a piece of trash on the floor, and like, every time I see it, I'm like, ooh, I need to put it in the trash. Just go ahead and do it now instead of thinking, oh, I should put that in the trash every time I walk by. I've gotten a lot better about doing that, which is nice and helpful. I might put this in our other cabinet with our bar soap. Yeah, we don't really need to travel with that. Oh, this is soap too. Okay. So when I was traveling, it was nice having this and in this bag and stuff. But I'll empty this for now. I will keep this. You know what? I'll keep one of these in the guest bathroom because my brother comes sometimes and doesn't want to bring contact solution on the flight or that kind of thing. So this is kind of a nice bottle to keep around, but it can go in the other bathroom. I don't think I have anything in there yet. I like these little containers, so I'll probably clean this. I don't know what's all over it. Like some travel razors. Trash. Maybe this one will go in the spare bathroom because I never really look in there. And I don't like this bottle as much. Okay, this one's maybe I'll put these in the guest bathroom for guests. I feel like I need music. I really wish you were here with me because this is kind of boring by myself. Just like talking to myself. Like I'm going crazy. Oh my goodness. I am telling you, contact solution. Jeez. My husband can have that in his drawer. Actually, one thing I like about this bathroom, which I'll probably talk about during the tour, but it has one sink, but it's like the length of a counter that would have double sink bathroom. Oh my gosh, that's so confusing. But and then so it has drawers on each side instead of two under the sink storage areas, which I hate, which is why I am trying to organize this spot. So I'd much rather have drawers, and my husband said the same thing, like he loves it, and we both have our own set, which is nice, because normally it would be like drawers in the middle, and we'd each get one, and then maybe share one or something. I don't know. We just like this setup better, which a lot of people would be annoyed. And at first, we kind of were like, really, there's only one sink, but it's nice having the like her side counter space and his side counter space as well. Like, I am on board with this now. So that's more toiletry paste. Ooh, that fits nicely. Oh my goodness. I do have to show this. I have used this in different locations before, so like I've used this just at my bathtub, but I don't have a big bathtub anymore, so I'm just using it under the sink. But my contact solution and this like conditioning spray that's in here, I like that. I basically, I guess, took over the under the sink area, which my husband didn't seem to mind. Oh my goodness, we also have like the mirrors that open and have cabinets. I feel like this house has so much storage. I absolutely love it and appreciate it. Oh man. I kind of like this box. Usually I don't like packaging. Oh, but this box is cute too, and it's a lot smaller. Okay. Alright, well that's easy. Let's just separate the trash from the recycling here, I guess. Okay. Nice. Do that for this too, actually. I am liking this. Okay. Okay, maybe I don't even need an extra container. What? This is wild. It's nice doing all of this at once, so you can see everything rather than when it's all in there. Okay, I mean, wow. What in the world? I did not think it was gonna, as you could tell from the beginning, I was not excited. I don't even need this. This can go back in my pantry and be used. Yay. Okay. This is weird. What? I do feel like I could do this better, but oh man, this is so much better than how it was. And I don't think it'll get like undone because I hardly use this stuff. So there we go. Also, I bought these like almost as soon as I moved to the desert. They are so cute. This is great. This is more trash than I thought, actually. Trash and recycling. Whew. And trash is so ugly, so things look so much better just when that is taken care of. Okay, I'm gonna go put stuff away and do the reveal. A lot of times I just take things slow and just kind of enjoy the process a little more. Like today, I'm filming videos. My lips may be a little purple from my smoothie. I'm just trying to enjoy getting things done. And so I hope that's what you do today as well. And at first I was like, this video isn't going to be helpful, but when I watch videos like this, it is super helpful.